kidding what he said. My vacation was over when he told me.
It's our first cooking experience at Patrick's. Smoke detector, it keeps going off. Patrick tries to remedy.
Come on. Damn it, stop the damn DVD.
The DVD.
Stop it, can't call it.
Hey, whatever you did worked. The letter F you think I just came out. Let's see, we have a little asparagus. Some red potatoes, which he claims there are too many. There's always a complaint. And the salmon with dill. The salad is in the fridge. And the smoke alarm continues to go off. Alright, we are signing off for now. This has been Cooking with Summer, which always leads to the smoke alarms. Alarming. There he goes again.